When it comes to kitchen appliances, versatility, efficiency, and portability are key factors that influence our purchasing decisions. This Ovente electric countertop single burner stands out as a must-have addition to any kitchen, providing a powerful, compact, and reliable cooking solution. In this comprehensive review, we'll delve into the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of this electric hot plate, helping you decide if it's the right fit for your culinary needs. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your kitchen with this fantastic appliance. Order your Ovente electric countertop single burner today and experience the difference it can make in your cooking routine. Overview of the Ovente electric countertop single burner. The Ovente electric countertop single burner is designed for those who need an extra burner for cooking, whether it's for holiday meals, parties, or simply to add more cooking space to a small kitchen. With its 1,000-watt power, adjustable temperature control, and compact design, this single burner offers a versatile cooking experience. Key features: efficient power, a 725-inch cast iron plate that heats up quickly and evenly. Adjustable temperature control, 5 settings: low, medium, high to suit various cooking needs. Safe and heavy-duty, durable stainless steel housing and non-slip rubber feet. Ultimate space saver, ideal for small spaces like studio apartments, college dorms, RVs, and camping trips. Easy to clean, non-stick cast iron plate and stainless steel surface. One of the standout features of the Ovente electric countertop single burner is its efficient power usage. The 725-inch cast iron plate is powered by 1,000 watts, ensuring it heats up quickly and maintains an even temperature. This makes it perfect for a variety of cooking tasks, from frying and boiling to keeping food warm. The cast iron plate ensures that heat is distributed evenly across the cooking surface, preventing hot spots that can burn food. Whether you're making a delicate sauce or frying up some steaks, this burner provides consistent and reliable heat. The adjustable temperature control is a major selling point for this burner. With 5 different settings: low, medium, and high, you can easily adjust the heat to match your cooking requirements. This makes it incredibly versatile, allowing you to cook a wide range of dishes, from simmering soups to boiling pasta or frying up breakfast. The Ovente burner handles it all with ease. Additionally, the burner is compatible with various types of cookware, including stainless steel pans, glass pots, aluminum pans, cast iron skillets, and ceramic pots. This compatibility ensures that you don't have to invest in new cookware to use this burner, adding to its convenience. Safety is a top priority for any kitchen appliance, and the Ovente electric countertop single burner doesn't disappoint. It features a durable stainless steel housing that is resistant to high temperatures and fire, ensuring your safety during use. The non-slip rubber feet keep the burner stable on your countertop, preventing accidents caused by movement. The built-in safety feature includes an automatic shut-off function that activates when the desired temperature is reached or if the burner overheats. This not only protects your food from burning, but also ensures that the burner itself remains in good working condition for years to come. One of the most significant advantages of the Ovente electric countertop single burner is its compact and portable design. Measuring just right for small spaces, it is an excellent addition to studio apartments, college dorms, RVs, and even office kitchens. Its lightweight construction means you can easily store it in a cabinet or under a counter when not in use, freeing up valuable countertop space. For those who love to travel or enjoy outdoor activities, this burner is a fantastic companion. It can be easily packed for camping trips, boat rides, or weekend getaways, ensuring you always have a reliable cooking source no matter where you are. Cleaning up after cooking can be a hassle, but the Ovente electric countertop single burner makes it simple. The non-stick cast iron plate prevents food from sticking, making it easy to wipe clean with a damp cloth or a non-abrasive sponge. The stainless steel surface is also easy to clean, ensuring your burner looks as good as new even after repeated use. Ovente stands behind its products, offering a 1-year warranty that covers defects in material and workmanship under normal use conditions. This warranty provides peace of mind, knowing that you can rely on the product's quality and the company's support if any issues arise. Ovente also offers us based customer service, ensuring that you can get help and support quickly and efficiently if needed. This level of customer care is crucial, especially when investing in kitchen appliances that you rely on for daily use. The Ovente electric countertop single burner is a versatile, powerful, and compact cooking solution that caters to a wide range of needs. Whether you have a small kitchen, need an extra burner for holiday cooking, or want a portable cooking option for travel and outdoor activities, this burner fits the bill. Its efficient power usage, adjustable temperature control, and compatibility with various cookware types make it a valuable addition to any kitchen. The safety features and durable construction ensure that it will serve you well for years to come. Plus, the ease of cleaning and space-saving design make it a practical choice for everyday use. If you're looking for a reliable, portable, and efficient cooking appliance, the Ovente electric countertop single burner is worth considering. It combines functionality, safety, and convenience in a sleek, compact package that will enhance your cooking experience. Final thoughts. In conclusion, the Ovente electric countertop single burner offers a blend of performance, safety, and convenience that makes it a standout choice for anyone in need of an additional cooking source. Its versatility and portability ensure that it can meet a variety of cooking needs, whether at home, in a dorm, or on the go. With its robust features and user-friendly design, this single burner is an investment that will enhance your culinary adventures and simplify your cooking process. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your kitchen with this fantastic appliance. Order your Ovente electric countertop single burner today and experience the difference it can make in your cooking routine. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more reviews and cooking tips. Let us know your thoughts or any questions you have in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and happy cooking!